Hello, Paul here from AMD Automotive in Caringbah, Sydney. Today I've got a Range Rover Evoque. Today I'm doing the rear brake pads. I just want to show you there's a procedure to do this job here. Just want to see how worn these brake pads are as well, compared to a brand new one as well. Alright, first thing you're going to do, you're going to strip down the wheels and the brake disc, brake caliper here, and the actual electronic tool here. Alright, so now after that you're going to use that tool to push the piston back, pull the motor back, and then now I can actually put a tool here to wind that one back to the back here before I actually put it back on. Alright, but let me show you. You've got to have a scan tool. This scan tool here is connected to the actual car. There's a procedure to do to replace the brake pads. If you don't have a scan tool, you end up damaging the motor. Alright? There's a special way you can do it without a scan tool, but I will never recommend that way. This is the best way to do it, and this procedure that's actually done by Range Rover. So let me show you the brake pads so I can compare them. Look at the brake disc. Brand new brake disc. Look at this brake disc here. Look at the lines there, the scoring and all that. It's all damaged because the brake pads were low. Look how low there. There's nothing left. So let me show you a brand new one. Okay, that's a brand new brake pads. Look how thick it is. Look how thick that brake pad is. Made by Texter OEM. All right, and look at this. Look at the old brake pads. There's nothing there. I'll put them together side by side so you can see. See the difference? Massive difference. Alright? So now I'm going to lubricate the slides and then put the brake pads back in, build it back up, torque it up to the actual specs, and then go from there. Alright? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.